Pedla hapa. Aba kusiba minto, egento nkere na rorero, paka na tebanga, ikonkora rosi video immediately, kaki, nda share na bantu ba minto, aba kusiba minto. Lero, one of my friends, governor ya Mount Kenya region, a very good friend of mine, invited me over, buo yenka, Mount Kenya. On the bana Pedla kuja tukule lunch. Bono today I went to the governor, the governor's residence. Boy, one of the reasons why I'm making this video, when I say governor, boy, now manya correct compound here is relatively big. Na hande na abugate an extension of another field here compound. Chika choka chire. Then naboli governor, your excellency. Didibon to go to lunch, gatonya ko share lunch nere. Namboli, your excellency. Hizi gari zote uko nazo hapo. Kwani unauza gari bwana? Governor mante gani? Hizo hapana hizo sisa. Mimi zangu ziko chireko sengoje siku nyuma. Hizo ni za wafanyikazi wangu. Namboli what? And they are good cars. Kama mante amenya me have empowered all my people. Kila mfanyikazi wangu ako na kwake, amejenga nyumba mzuri na anaendesha gari yake. Wengine wako na biashara zao wanafanya wakati hawako hapa. Okay. Namaboli, are you for real, your excellency? Amanda, yes. Ask anybody around. Na nyana kiroko baligere liara bago chapako mondolio kokosabo musbati. Na kwanza kernaro kigwa ekeringo soka mu sauna na ngoro kiontingo no kama ile gari yetengia tile wator ile ni maid. Mama, maid hapo na gari. Aja. Pone birangere libya manyago cha direct. Bia minyoke memory ya minyoke kuchikisi county. Na manyago tebie governor yenga your excellency. Bwana hizi vitu umefanya hapa kwetu Kisii county, yani hiyo ni ndoto. Huko kwetu hata chief officer hawezi afford gari. Chief of staff hawezi kukununulia hata maji ya kunywa. Anangoja paka apate end month ifike nini ndio labda anaweza kukununulia hata chai. Otherwise they are broke all the time. Come on, are you sure? Arati anakuwa na mtabi Arati bwana huyo ni mtu mmoja yani very useless governor. I'm sorry to use that term. Na mtabi. Na mtabi Arati, everyone around Simba Arati is a poor person. Yani kakike kwenda Kisii County. Yani naligerelia bwe governor mpaka na 10. Kisii County yani yoko nyoranga chief of staff na kio tucha resignerity. Those people are working under duress all the time. Chief of staff tabuga atino nyene gari yago chira buo ye no nyendri ati mogete atarigasi ale free ara ile family. Chief officer chonsi echi. Chisiyo. Yani director. Once yani abantu bale abataka oyo gotema igo igabwa taka ya tsumira kaliaka gotuga na kwako nyakominyoka na kara nga kubona no lyo gotema. Yani chief officer no ine cha etago kugurira. Onyo tenga kieli ongwae. Ekere kwa gatware problem no nya tware gwa kongwae. I was one of them. Eko genga kiena lenge ne kebe. Yani egwa kanyore obwate problem. Problem gete gosene ya school fees. Kosoboro ire nyakitali. Yani chief officer kuko ikira salbie ko tenga ekenege ntegeke. Tobone tikusumbua governor. This is not an issue. Nchuto ende skuru nga solve a problem we. Lakini boniga enda sabanta bako kora Simba Arati egasi. They are under bari sign na kibari sign over 100 people. Bako resign abanda kubuta. Ako basukuma paka bari sign. Because bako koregasi under duress. Yani okogenda chief officer liriere gosene kochikorati kaka kino ene CMC. Yani county kokogenda MCA yoka. Etari konyara gwa afford yokotebia MCA nga mogambi. Tabuga tino ene libu. MCA elibu goko motenga bondi ganga ayo mheshimiwa bwana. Koranga no ene chiribu sana. No nyene libu gokote bwana no ene libu timbwati. Ako kokani no ene nanda ko basinsia gote bwana. Timbwati bese ebintu mbisalegete. CMC chindo isoko genda chi county chinde bwana. abantu balendire bagokora egasi na egavana amo onye na ebinto byabo budget kiango ebakorosia barosiamo MCA agende ground orosie ebinto byaba ebinto bikoba contractor nyore gento kiae MCA nyore gento kiae egavana nero nyore gento kiae kero monto babuya kero monto ragera kero monto isaneka lakini bono kogenda MCA chinga chichokora MCA cha Kisii County ujinona abando gosinyunga inkibago jigo why are they seeking for re-election ogosinyu amatanga oka nobo kongu ebago sinyu kogenda amatanga kaki ebinto narorero igo nakumya yani mpaka driver igebwate gari yaje ase chigabana echichinde abwate gari yaje sakara korre gasi marogoba agosoe gari yaime agende chi bodyguard the same kero monta abwate gari yaje. That is what the governor told me. Paka chi bodyguard chiae. Inchu chi bodyguard chia governor Arati ka Kisii County. They are the poorest. And nobody told me to speak on their behalf. It is only that I'm concerned. You don't go and punish anybody because peddler said, if you do that, you will confirm you are a fool. Paka bodyguards, drivers, Simba Arati, they are the poorest. He has not empowered. Yani, anybody around Simba Arati is poor. Even bicycle, even motorcycle, they cannot afford. Hata unakutana chief officer, unakutana town, you meet the chief officer in town. He cannot even buy you a cup of coffee worth 200 shillings. Because he does not have money. They don't have money. Why? Because the governor is micromanaging everything. The governor does not want to empower anybody. Everyone around him is poor. That is courtesy of May, the governor's wife, because she's the one who is running the county. A very good example. And I want to take a swipe on the governor on this. There are people who have served the governor for so many years, since he was the member of parliament from the first term. If you want to know that Arati is another, let me not abuse him. Gaki, nyogotete komanyanga Arati gaki ne bikone binde to anyorete county. Yani there are people like Omar and others. Those people who have been serving him, and nobody sent me to speak on their behalf because I know he can fire them but I have to say. So if you fire them, you are a fool. That you fired them because peddler said you should improve their lives. Omari has been serving you, governor. He has been cooking for you for so many years. Omari cannot afford even a bicycle. Omari, when he leaves, he wants to go to town Korwalia, he has to counting a year. That is how things are. Your bodyguards, Barati, they are the poorest people. They should not be in that condition. Bodyguard bwana, bodyguards should have their means. Babwate binto byabo, anga chi driver, ngorande buno soro, abafanyikazi baya bonsi ko chakera chi driver mpaka chi bodyguard, kero monto gabwate bwoye. Osora bakonyete kero monta abwate bwoye, kero monta yani pono makonyora tata gaki abana muna bali bagokoreire gasi Simba Arati. All these years you have not empowered anybody. All these people working for you are poor. As a county, it's not agenda. Even the chef, the person who cooks for governor, those people who cook for governor, they are very much okay. They have, yani nauro kibuga aliye made, I was surprised. Niga aliye made. Nama kumenga Simba Arati. Why do you want to micromanage everything? You want to micromanage everything. Why don't you empower these people? Yani, May Arati cannot allow umontonde Omari yako chikokore nyange gose no onde because gose abana bali ba kolega asiali. If somebody buys even a bicycle, May will ask, come here. Where did you marry? Where did you marry get the money to buy this bicycle? Where did he get the money from? Because that Chinese mentality, tatageti, where you don't need to empower, abantu bande, That is what she has brought to Kisii County. Kaki Simba Arati. Why would your bodyguards be waiting for abaheshimiwa bali bagocho? Nga gogosoka igo mugambi, gokoro mugambi, nga na intu tolenda toto tigaigo. Why would bodyguards get to that level? You should be giving them even 5,000 every day in the evening. Bagenda na bonko raba gambi, that is how these are the people who are taking care of you. But instead, you are abusing, insulting them all the time, 24/7. I was with you all the time. I used to see. You call them, you fools, and you've subjected them to abject poverty. Ntobwate problem. Kisii County, we have a problem. Stop micromanaging everything, Governor. People with you, the people around you, the people with you, these people must be empowered. These people must be I work for Governor Simba Arati. No, the quality of life that person is living. Whatever, indeed, you work for Governor Arati. Lakini bono, the chief officer kokora, chief director, chief APA governor. APA governor, no nyene suruali yo katai kunyara kugura. Ako korega bwa ke kona, na na yako tebi. Chief officer ko se APA na na yako teinga peddler. Peddler ngonole kenda abuto pako kuminga keitata. Anyway, Kisii County, that is a dead county. That is why we need Machogu. That is why we need change of leadership in that county. Machogu is coming in. Machogu empowers yabantu bai. Machogu will make sure that the county is running. The wheels of that county will be well oiled and the things will be running. Iko Simba Arati, erega akitika agende pi. This person, his place